Hey everybody. It's one of those slow days. We're outside, it's blustery and rainy and cold. And the best thing to do is to curl up on the sofa in some cozy clothes with a cup of tea. I've just been sitting here looking at all the seedlings coming up. It's a total miracle every time. So here is my windowsill full of seedlings. And look there, those are the cabbage seeds that I sowed in a video last week. They're coming up a treat. And there's the first aubergine coming up. And I planted that on the 4th of March, and today we're the 13th of March, so it's amazing how fast it happens. And look, there's some aubergine and tomato seedlings that I planted in yogurt pots in a video sort of 3 weeks ago. And these are sweet peas. I love sweet peas. Now, they're not peas like you would eat. Sweet peas are ornamental, i.e. they're plants that are appreciated for their beauty, for their flowers. And then here, just a few days ago, I planted some hot pepper seeds. For my husband, I'm gonna make him a hot pepper sauce. He knows he shouldn't eat, but he loves to eat. And some of you lovely people gave me some great feedback recently. One of you said, "Hey ho, what's a hollyhock?" So here's what a hollyhock is. It's a beautiful, tall plant with lots of flowers all the way up the stem in bright colors. Bees love them, and they self-seed like crazy as well. And these bugs called firebugs love to eat the seeds. I just came back this morning from going to my favorite charity shop and picked up another gardening book. And some gardening books that I would totally recommend, just for starters. Go to a secondhand bookshop, just find a book on gardening for beginners. That's the name of the book I found today. Gardening for Beginners, perfect. What else? There's The Thrifty Gardener. That's a fantastic book, especially if you want to be thinking about gardening on a budget. I've got loads of great ideas from that book. And then my favorite organic gardening book is The No-Dig Approach to Organic Gardening by Charles Dowding. So yeah, today is one of those being days as opposed to a doing day. Have a great weekend, everyone, and a great week ahead.